expect from this one?
Well, we've seen the way Spark has run up in the past couple of days. So now one of the reasons for the excitement is that because they have a particular drug which is under study for a lot of neurological conditions, which also includes Parkinson's disease program. So now this particular molecule, which is pronounced as vodobatinib, is basically being studied for the likes of Parkinson's, dementia, as well as Alzheimer's. It is also being studied for leukemia under oncology. Now, specifically, when it comes to the Parkinson's disease and how exactly this drug is going to help them, they have a clinical trial currently underway, which is called PROSEEK. Now, they have finished enrollment of 500 patients plus in a global phase 2 study, which was completed in October of 2023. Now, the phase 2 study basically aims to see whether there is safety and efficacy of this particular molecule when it is used for early stage Parkinson's. Phase 1 study showed therapy was well tolerated. Now, the street seems to be bullish because this is one of the largest phase 2 studies for early stage Parkinson's disease globally, and it comprises of studying patients across 84 sites across US, India, as well as Europe. Now, the interim data is expected in March 2024 when it comes to this particular drug being studied only for Parkinson's, not for the other conditions. The interim readout from phase 2 and phase 3 initiation is also expected by November 2024. So if the data in March 2024 or Q1 of this quarter of this year is positive, then it will be a positive read-through for what would eventually happen when it comes to phase 3. The other thing which is making people bullish is that 87% of the eligible people in this study of phase 1 actually transitioned to the part 2 of the phase. So they were that optimistic about this drug and were ready to take part in the trial as well. Now, the street is anticipating that if in case the data is positive, then Spark could see partnerships, regulatory agreements post the interim data readout. The potential of this drug could be as much as $5 billion for Parkinson's. Now, remember, that's the size of the industry or the market. We don't know eventually what, the molecule would eventually throw up. But nonetheless, this is the size that people are talking about. Remember that Parkinson's affects approximately 7 million people worldwide. It's expected to increase to around 14 million. They're holding a call on Saturday evening at around 5 p.m. So the street will want to know what exactly is the progress on this particular molecule. That's the reason that the stock is excited.
All right, let's dip into a quick break on that note. On the other side,